Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to use and enable camera timer on ITEL phone. Let's begin. Now it is very simple. All we want to do is we want to enter into our camera app. Then we want to hit the settings by clicking this little cogwheel here at the top. And after you scroll down a little bit, you'll see timer option. You want to simply click it, and here we can choose between 4 different options. We can turn it off completely, or we can set it to 3, 5 or 10 seconds. I will choose 5, and as you can see now, all you need to do is just press the do photo button, and if you have set it to 5 seconds, then after 5 seconds it will do a photo. If you set it to 10 seconds, it will do a photo after 10 seconds, and the same is for 3 seconds. And if you have set it to off, then you will automatically take a photo. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.